Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Minecraft. So guys, let's get in. Sorry if I was playing Minecraft off camera or when I was not recording, because a lot of things happened. Like right here. So I moved my house and everything, guys. This is a good spot because there's a lot of food and animals and trees around here. And there's no zombies, I checked, and anything like that. So guys, let's build. So guys, I was get on building right now. So yeah, I'm gonna be building today. Gonna be placing everything. There's so many horses here and foods everywhere we could get, guys. And that's super dope. That's what I didn't say about that. That's awesome, guys. Okay, I'll just leave that stuff here. So guys, let's do this. Okay, this is very stupid. Wait, guys. Come on, guys. Wait, so guys, I need some food. Actually, I'm gonna try the level. Wait, you don't eat level? You don't eat level, guys? Let me know in the comments below if you eat level. If you eat level in Minecraft, tell me in the comments below. I want to know, guys. It's not letting me eat it. Let's get the door. So now we're gonna just be like building our house and everything. Let's get up. Ugh. You break that. So guys, now we're just gonna be like building up the house. I don't think anything's gonna hurt us. We're gonna survive here for a pretty long time because there's a lot of animals. We're gonna be making a farm. Like, we're not gonna kill every single animal. Like, first we're gonna like troll the animals into coming into our farm with food, and then we'll just like put a fence. And they'll start making babies, and then there'll be so much food and resources for us, guys. Okay, we're also gonna be like making a farm. Like, we're not just gonna eat animals. We have to eat other stuff too, guys. If you did not know that. So like, yeah, now we're gonna be like playing Minecraft again. Wait, where's the door? And now we're just gonna be like placing blocks here. Guys, so we're gonna be like going here. Now we're just gonna be going here. Guys, sorry about that hole, but like, good, they did not kill us. So now we're just gonna get our bed. Just gonna sleep here, and now it's the next day. So now we're just gonna like place our bed here as well. But I think I'll be able to put one hole here in a building. Like, we need light, guys. So now let's just go and like get some stuff. Oh look, over there's a sheep. Time to go and kill it, guys. So if you're wondering why I got food, I was killing a lot of animals off camera. I mean, not off camera, but like when I was like not recording. So we have like a lot of stuff now, guys. Oh, there's a lot of sheep there. Guys, don't worry, we're not gonna lose them. Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's get these sheep. Bam. Come on, you can't run, but you can't hide. Yes. Yes. And anyway, animals are always spawning around here. Guys, don't worry. We haven't lost our house. We know exactly where it is. I'm getting hungry. So yeah, guys. Now we're just gonna like find that stuff. Yeah, it's right here. Now we're gonna be like cutting this down to finish our roof. And don't worry, guys, we'll make a wooden pick later. Well, I didn't know you could dig with swords. So guys, we're finished. It doesn't really matter. We can craft another sword. And yeah. It's just gravel over here. Now we'll go like get in. Oh wait, I forgot to set up a crafting table and everything. Put that there. Here. Perfect. So now we're just gonna like craft it. It's not a lot, but I think I'll be able to finish it. Yeah, I was right. Don't even need that much. And it's still kind of light in here. Because that's the whole point, I made that window. So we're still going to be able to see in here, guys. So just, like, now it's just a chest. Gonna put, like, everything I would need later in here. Put my food in here, because I don't want to, like, lose my food. Guys, let's just put this stuff here. Let's get all our stuff now, and we'll only craft at night time, guys. Okay, because it's dangerous at night time. Put all our stuff there. Not gonna lose anything. Let's go and chop that tree down. I'm wondering what that red thing is. Let's cut it. I don't know what you can craft with that. Really want to know. What? Just a mushroom. Duh. What is this? What's this? This is weird. Okay, whatever. Guess now go here. Like, the wood is not gonna last forever, but don't worry, we may go far away from a house, but we'll always remember where it is. So let's just go here. Okay, no, yeah. So we might be moving around a lot in Minecraft, but that's just like the point of Minecraft. Like that's not the point in Minecraft, but for me it kind of is, because there's like a lot of dangerous things around all the time. And I should have crafted the sword before I came out here, because now there's a pig that I can kill, and now I won't be able to kill it. Or I can. I think one more time. Try whacking it one more time. Yes. So guys, now I'm just not gonna mind this. So you know that lever? People think, I don't think you can eat that. I think I'll just use it to craft armor. Like some armor for now. There's actually no such thing as wooden armor, guys. So I don't know what armor would be made out of animals. But like I said, we'll craft that at nighttime. But I'll just like get rid of this. Sleeve stuff is in my way. That's okay. Yep. So we're fine so far. Nothing's hurting us. It's actually a very good spot because there's a lot of animals. And there are like no zombies around. It's a really good place. I really like this area. Very nice. There's not a lot of trees blocking the way, so you can find your house pretty quickly. I just need to place more flowers and grass and stuff around here so more animals can come. And if more animals come, I could be able to make a farm. Speaking about a farm, I should probably make a farm right now. Like, let's go and craft some wood. Just joking. I'm not only gonna craft at night time, guys. Like it's not that bad. Let's craft this. Okay, let's craft. Okay, so you need sticks for that. So let's craft some sticks. And now we're able to like make fences. And I just wasted all my wood. Oh, I could troll chickens to get my farm with those seeds. Because I watched a video on YouTube that happened. And by the way, I'm gonna fix this, guy. So wait, I'll dig up some dirt. Wait. Okay, never mind, guys. It just doesn't look so nice, so I'm gonna change it. Oh, chicken! Wait, if I have the seed, it's gonna follow me. Yep, it's following me. Okay, so let's put my fence here. And the chicken is gone. Chicken boy, come to Poppy. Can't hold two things at the same time. Let's go. Don't worry, if it runs away, I'll get it back. Okay, so the chicken knows I'm about to troll it. That's just gonna be like, actually, you know what? I'm gonna start doing some. Oi! Some seeds. Seeds? Huh? Get right here. Come on, chicken. Right here. Guys, this is stupid. Let's try tomorrow. This is just really silly. I think we need to craft more of this. That's the problem. Oh, I know what I could do. I could troll it into going into my house. Okay, come on, chicken. It's not too late. Okay, great. The zombies are coming out. Come on, chicken. Come inside. Come on, boy. Huh? Come back. Come on, chicken. It's an easy... Ha! You're trapped. Now it's time to die. Yes! Get trolled, chicken. Yeah, boy, get trolled. I just literally just trolled that chicken, boy. That's what I'm gonna call the video. I trolled the chicken. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna keep these seeds because I'm gonna be able to troll so much with these seeds. I have like a lifetime supply of food. Thank you, chicken. That was helpful. Can't believe I actually trolled the chicken. Can we get out? So now I'm just gonna like make a farm. Okay, a farm. So I'm gonna need more wood for that. But that's okay, guys. We can fix that. I can't believe I actually trolled the chicken. Really just trolled it. Get trolled, chicken. So yeah, we're gonna be trolling more animals with these types of foods. A lot because we need to. That's the whole point, to get like... I'm like the predator and that chicken was like the prey. Wow. Okay, that's a spider there. Better go. Oh great, good, the spider didn't see me. So guys, we're not gonna lose our house. Okay, for now on, every time I see a chicken, I'll go to it and follow it. And I just hold the seeds and it'll follow me to my house. And then boom, troll. With that one seed, I could make a chicken farm. This is what I'm gonna do. I have it all planned in my head, guys. I don't even need to tell you what I'm gonna do. Because I'm gonna do it and on camera. I am not joking. Okay. Oh. That zombie. I can do that's bad. Okay, so guys, we're not gonna go near the tree so much. Unless we like need to. But I wonder if you can like troll pigs. Can you? Nope. You can't. That's just stupid of me. Wow, there's so many zombies. Chicken! Chicken! Okay, no, there's a spider. Come on. Come on, chicken. Yes, it's following me. That chicken is gonna get followed into my house, and I'm gonna troll it. It better still be following me. What? Chickens. Chickens. Come to Papa. Just gonna make sure it's still following me. Okay, so it's still gonna follow me. How about now? Oh, it's actually still following me. Guys, I'm really gonna troll these chickens. Nice and easy. But for now, we're just gonna like trap them in my house. But soon we'll have a fence full of them. So guys, get in. I'm not gonna troll you. Haha, you're trapped. Now, one more thing. Get wrecked. Haha, haha. Chickens. What's the other one? Get off my crafting table. Thank you. Haha, haha. Chickens don't know what they're doing. This whole supply. Guys, now we're gonna like craft that. Guys, we're gonna like be crafting this. So guys, now we're gonna be like crafting the fence. This is okay, so we need sticks. So let's make these fences. So that's 30. That'll be enough. Now we're gonna have a whole farm of chickens. And well, how nice isn't that? But I'll also need to make a door. Chickens, you know what's coming. Minecraft isn't all that friendly, chickens. Okay. Wait guys, let's go back in. We would still need the fences for like more farms. But what was that thing again? What is this? Oak fence gate. So we need sticks for that. Craft some sticks. So yeah guys, let's craft one of those. And now we're gonna like do whatever we need to do. And then yeah. Let's destroy this. See now guys, we'll be able to troll the chickens. I can now just trap myself. We'll be able to troll the chickens nice and easy. Nice and easy. But let's craft a hoe so we can like get rid of the grass. What is it called? So we're gonna need to craft more sticks. What's it called? Okay. Craft that. Like we're gonna need it for farming, guys. This is the perfect spot. Craft here. No. Okay, guys. Let's put this back. Okay, no. Get the tool. Yeah. So guys, now we're gonna be like making a farm. Control chickens real good, boy. Control real good. I'm gonna troll real good. So I'm gonna use those fences for like, I'm just gonna keep the seeds there for now. So guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Bye, guys. See you in the next one.